Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardeners. So in today's video we are going to be checking about the Echeveria Elegans that we had put into the soil. It had a few roots, so it's been a couple of days. Now I don't want you guys to take out your succulent, so I'm just going to give you an example of how the succulent is going to look like once it has been put in the soil and it has been sitting in the soil for some days. Now please, this is just an example. I don't want you guys to pull out your succulents to check if there are roots or not, because I'm sure that there are roots in this succulent. So let us carefully take out the succulent. As you can see, I had not pushed it too deep into the soil, and here we go. If you remember last time there was only one root, but now you can see the amount of roots, and they are white in color because they were inside the soil. So you can see this. In fact, the roots are all around a cut stem. Initially it was just over here. As you can see, this is the oldest root over here, but now there are a lot of new roots. So we are just going to place it back again in the soil. I had done one watering, but right now I'm just going to leave it as it is so that it can kind of settle down. I've already done the watering, so I don't need to do the watering right now. Do not pull out your succulent. This was just an example to give you a fair idea of how the roots will start to generate once you have done the stem cutting. So the succulent is still being kept in indirect bright light. We do not want to expose it to direct sunlight because the roots are still very small. They are not completely established. Once they tend to grow more deeper, probably this might take another month's time, or probably 2 months. Whatever it is, it's going to be kept in indirect bright light. Any which ways, it is an Echeveria elegans, does not prefer a lot of direct sunlight. Unlike other Echeverias, they prefer a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours, whereas our Echeveria elegans can do well in anywhere between 1 to 2 hours of morning direct sunlight. Or even if you're going to keep it in indirect bright light, it's absolutely okay, because they do not tend to change the color from green. Remember, as I've said this, any succulent that does not change its color from green must be kept in indirect bright light. So if you do not get direct sunlight, it's absolutely okay. You can place this in indirect bright light where the intensity of the light is good enough. So that's all about it, guys. I hope that this short video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.